beautiful family. How's my YouTube family? I hope my YouTube family is fit, fine and healthy. So today I'm going to review a fragrance brand which is Dossier. I've earlier reviewed so many of perfumes which is I think from this brand Dossier. I have made couple of review video for this brand. I really love it. When I went to India, I gifted many of their perfume to my friends, family, and they really loved it. Because Dossier is a brand which recreate designer luxury perfume in an affordable way. They recreate designer luxury perfume and so that everybody can afford it. Everybody has get the same brand, same smell, but without giving making a hole in your pocket. Yes, it give you a same smell, same fragrance like designer luxury perfume, but it's very affordable to all. Everybody can afford it. Yes, it cost perfume cost at $29, $39, $49. That so everybody can afford it. It's a French based designer luxury company which recreate designer luxury perfume, and it's 100% vegan, cruelty free, no parabens, no artificial color, only perfume which gives you a great smell. Okay, when you must know this brand if you are my old subscriber, because I have made a couple of videos of this brand Dossier and I really loved it. Why I really loved it? Because their perfume, their fragrance smells exactly like luxury brand perfume which cost you around $400, $500, but everybody can't afford it. If you are getting same fragrance, same smell only at $29 or $39, so why would you waste extra amount of for buying that luxury brand if you're getting same smell in such affordable way? I went to India and I gave this perfume to my family, my friends. Everybody loved it. So today I'm going to review another, they're super exciting to review there another few fragrances which I really loved it, and I'm using this their fragrances for last 15 days, and now I want to give a honest review for their product. Thing I would like to share with you guys, you can buy their perfumes in Walmart. Yes, you can just go to their nearest Walmart store and you can get your favorite fragrance in just few hours, or you can order it online. You don't have to pay any shipping and something else. You can buy, or you can buy from their website as well. You get enough discount. I have seen when I went to Walmart, I've seen their their fragrances on their store. You can buy it online or you can buy wherever you want from their store, from the Walmart, because they have now their fragrances are available in Walmart store. First open, it comes with every fragrance comes with this same box which is exactly same for all the fragrances. It comes with beautiful pink color box, and here is iconic scent, designer quality, no markers. So it's a gourmet white flowers. It is top notes bergamot, green tea, fuchsia, berries, and the middle note is white flowers, orchid, rose. Base notes are musk, patchouli, caramel, and vanilla. So let's open it. It's a giftable box. You can give someone, your loved ones, your boyfriend, your girlfriend, your wife, anyone you want to gift it. It really comes with this beautiful box, and let's smell it. And each and every fragrance of their brand comes with this transparent bottle, so you can see there is no artificial color, and it's 100% pure, vegan, cruelty free, UV, no filter, no artificial colors. So let's check. Just spray. I'm spraying on my wrist. Wow, it really smells like flowers, flory kind of smell. I really want to smell everything around it smells so good, and I always want to smell good whenever I at home, at office, but it really smells so good. And it's inspired by Viktor and Rolf flower warmth perfume. So its concentration is 18%, guys. Thanks. Our commission is to deliver the highest quality, luxury inspired fragrance at a fair price, giving you freedom to explore new scents. Thank you for giving us a try. And one thing I would like to tell you, if you don't like their fragrances, you just simply, it comes with a small size sample size bottle, so you can just open it. If you don't like it or that smell doesn't suit you, you can simply pack this box and you can return it. You will get 100% refund without any, without any questions. Okay, so this is the best thing you are getting, but I know you won't return it because it smells really amazing. Seriously, it smells really like a luxury perfume. I can smell it, I can feel it, because I've used so many luxury brand perfume as well. So let's check another fragrance, which is Floral Marshmallow. As I earlier told you, the same fragrance comes with each and every fragrance comes with this beautiful box, pink color box, and it's giftable, so attractive, and you can gift it someone. So let's open it. So same packaging. I really love their packaging and box. It's really affordable and really adorable as well. So this is Floral Marshmallow, and it comes with a note. Everything, their concentration, their top notes, middle notes, and the high notes is available on their notes. So let's check out. This top note is marshmallow, neroli, bergamot. Middle note is orange blossom, honeysuckle, jasmine, and orris. And the base notes is amber, vanilla, and the musk. It's inspired by Killing, Don't Worry, Be Shy. And the concentration is 18%, guys. It means you get the same fragrance, same smell without making a hole in your pocket. So everything is written on it. So let's check out this amazing fragrance as well. So I'm spraying it on my wrist. Guys, it really smells so good, but if I want to choose for myself, I will definitely go for this Government White Flower, because I like this. I earlier told you I like a floral kind of smell, but this smells is more like fruity smell. I can smell jasmine more, more I can feel jasmine smell, but this one is good. But if I would like to choose one of these, I would definitely go for Government. But this one is also, this smells also good, seriously. And if you want to buy this their luxury brand perfume of this brand, it will cost you $250, $400. Means buying and fragrance is, you are making an investment. But if you are going for these fragrances, you don't need to think, you don't need to put a huge amount for buying this perfume. It simply costs you around $49 or hardly $50. That's it. So if you want to buy this perfume, you can use my code SONIA10 and you will get 10% discount. If you are buying first time from their website, you will get another 10% discount as a complimentary order, a complimentary purchase. So what are you waiting for? If you want, please guys, try these amazing perfumes. These are very affordable, these are very amazing, and it smells exactly like your luxury designer perfumes, which is really so costly. And these fragrances are highly affordable and smells exactly like designer luxury perfumes. Or you can buy these fragrances there in your nearest Walmart store. You can go and just check out, or you can simply buy these fragrances on online as well. So go and grab your favorite fragrances for you and your dear ones and your family. I hope today's video is very helpful for you and you will try these affordable fragrances. So I hope you will enjoy this video. I will come up with new video for you guys. Till then, friend, bye bye. See you in the next video. Love you all. Bye bye. Check out my description box. Everything is written in description box. Their website, everything, and their link of these fragrances, everything is written. And use my code 10 SONIA10, you will get another 10% discount. So see you in the next video. Take care. Bye bye. Love you all. Bye bye.